Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bake these delicious cupcakes decorated like an ice cream cone. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I'm going to go for these ice cream cones with a flat bottom. These flat bottoms help them to sit upright in the oven. So you can put them directly into a cupcake tray if you want, or you can even put them on a cookie sheet. I'm going to use my cupcake tray. These ones look like this inside, but I don't know, some may be plain or whatever, but as long as they've got a flat bottom, they should be fine. Okay, got 6 in there, and I've already made some cupcake batter. I'm going to get some of the batter. You just play around with the amounts. It depends on the size of your ice cream cone. Probably going to make these about 3/4 full so that you've got space to rise. Okay, so about this much should be okay. Repeat the process until you use up all your batter. Okay, if you feel you need a bit more batter, you can add some more batter. So it just depends how much they rise. But anyway, I think this is about right. So these are going to go in the oven for a few minutes until well risen and golden brown on top. Okay, the cupcakes are ready. They've cooled down completely, and now I'm going to decorate them. How much cake you have in your cone depends on how much batter you put in. You can see I put a bit more in this one, that's why it's risen just a little bit more. And if you notice, one of these I have on the cooling rack, it's not that full. So you choose whichever one you want to use. If you feel you need to trim this a bit, you can trim it, but it's not really necessary. Okay, I've already made my buttercream. This is just American buttercream with vanilla. So if you want to learn how to make buttercream, click on the link above. I've already fitted it into a piping bag with a nozzle. I'm going to swirl these like a ice cream cone. So I'm going to start on the outer edge like that. Okay. And I'm going to do the same for the other two. Oh, this one I've started in the middle. Okay, so this one I started in the middle and it looks like a rose shape, but I don't want that rose shape. I'm going to get another cone because I made 6, and I'm going to start on the outer edge. So how you start your piping can determine how your icing looks. Okay, look at the difference between this, the rose and the swirl, and I want the swirl. Okay. I'm going to put some chocolate on top. This chocolate bar is too big for this cupcake, so I'm going to cut it in half. I think I'll cut it in half. Breaking it might crumble it, so I'm going to try and cut it. It's very crumbly chocolate. Put one here on the side. It's not staying in, so I'm going to push it into the cake a little bit so that it sticks in. Okay. For this one, I'm going to add some sprinkles. And And for the final one, I'm going to break up some of the chocolate that I have and sprinkle on top. And that's it. I'm going to put this to the side, and I'm going to get one of the other ones to cut and show you what it looks like inside. Look at that. Nicely baked through, and the cake is fluffy as well. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbrownbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.